Close your eyes and listen carefully. Can you hear that gentle sound? Choo-choo. Choo-choo. That's the Dreamland train, and it's waiting just for you. In your cozy bedroom tonight, a special friend has come to visit. It's Conductor Bunny, with his soft fur and twinkling lantern. He whispers, "All aboard the Dreamland train. It's time for a magical journey to Sleepyville." The train begins to move, gently rocking. Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Through your window, you can see we're floating through the starry night sky. Our first stop is Starlight Meadow, where tiny fireflies dance like little golden stars. Sleepy rabbits wave their paws, drowsy deer nod their heads, and wise old owls hoot softly, "Hoo, hoo." Time to rest. Choo-choo, choo-choo. The train rocks gently as we travel to Pillow Fort. Here, giant fluffy pillows are stacked like soft, white clouds. A teddy bear in striped pajamas yawns a big yawn, and stretches his arms wide before curling up for sleep. Now, we're gliding over Lullaby Lake, where gentle waves lap against the shore. The water sparkles with reflected stars, and a crescent moon smiles down at us. Even the fish are sleeping peacefully beneath the calm, quiet water. The Dreamland train is slowing down now. Choo-choo, choo-choo. We've arrived at Sleepyville Station, where your own cozy bed is waiting. Conductor Bunny tucks you in with a soft blanket and whispers, "Sweet dreams, little one," until we meet again on the Dreamland train. Shh. Close your eyes and drift away to sleep. Shh. It's time to rest. Good night, little dreamer. The Dreamland train will be here when you wake.